Hey guys, welcome back. Look what I've got. I was just at Michael's craft store and the grab boxes were finally out. Now there were probably 15 of them or so, and so as soon as I picked out 4 that I wanted, got them in my car, I called my family and friends and got on Facebook and said, get them while they're hot, there's only a few left. So we are going to unbox these and find out what kind of treasures we've got. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Just start with one. All right, gonna make some room here real quick. Grab a pair of scissors. And here we go. All right, the first thing we have, a createology decor craft kit. That's kind of cool. My granddaughters will like that. This says it's usually $12.99. All right, it is inevitable. We're gonna get pine cones, but at least the box smells so good. Oh, is this like an earring holder? A jewelry display earring holder. That's pretty cool. Nice. I see ribbon. And I'm not going to go through prices like I have in the past. We're going to just be able to tell that we've gotten some great deals. Santa Claus. Christmas trees. There's one more. This is real pretty. This is a felt. Got a marker. Looks like a bunch of, oh, it looks like a bunch of little jewelry stuff is in here too. Looks like little charms that go on little bracelets. Ooh, very pretty. All right. Okay, let's make sure we get these where they're not going to get lost. All right, we have, and this is pretty. Oops, more jewelry pieces here. A swag. Put on your table or add to a wreath or something like that. That's real nice. And it's in good condition. Nothing looks like it's broken. A couple more things that came off of that were for jewelry. Another package of ribbon. Some more little charms. Really cute. And a UV resin craft. Maybe a mold or something? I'm not quite sure. All right. We have like says a snowy pine cone garland, which that's really kind of cool. I like that. Couple more pieces from jewelry. We've got one poinsettia. I'm going to set that over here. Oh, a couple more things from jewelry. Looks like we've got a sign in here. Fa la la. This is regularly $30. So for $40 for everything, I've already made back my money. That's for sure. So I'm going to, I think what I'll do is set some of this stuff back in the box. I really had no idea what to expect because this Michael's store didn't seem like they had a whole lot left of their Christmas. Plus it had been out for a long time. So it was definitely down to maybe 90% off. So didn't think there was a whole lot left there. Okay, second box. Kind of like Christmas. Ready? Ooh. We've got ornaments, and these are really pretty. We've got gold, silver, pastels and pinks. Wow, very, very nice. Like I said, all right, we've got ribbon. Gosh, those pine cones smell good. Looks like a pick that has a ribbon on it. Looks like it has antlers on it and a deer. Another createology. This is a photo frame kit. That's kind of cute. One more poinsettia. This one is red. Almost has a velvet feel to it. Okay, one more of those picks. We have a nutcracker that is, looks like a nurse or a doctor. Well, how very fitting, my daughter being a doctor. Wow, that definitely looks like a nurse. Okay, this looks like it is supposed to light up. It does not have the bottom to it, but I'm sure we could figure out how to do that. Kind of looks like it's not neon, but something similar. Oh, there's the reindeer ear. And one more set of the pine cone garland. So not bad. These are regularly $30. It's $20. Okay, let's move on. You know, when these first came out, when I started getting them, they were $4 a box. And then they went to $6. And then right after COVID, they were $10. So I'm sure the stores are trying to at least get some money back from the COVID experience. One more here. Oh. All right. There's a bunch of these on top. There's more stuff down here. Kind of wish they wouldn't do this. All right. Ooh. Hanukkah star. Very pretty. Oh. Hanukkah gift bags. There's like 3 of those. Okay, this is all Hanukkah stuff. And I remember seeing these in the store. The big gift bags. This can hang or sit. Shalom. And a couple of, it looks like 3 garlands. Wow. I'll have to find it out if I know anybody who could use this. This is in really good shape. All right, we still got one more. Okay, that one was easier. Let's see what we got. All right. Another pick, 1 thing of pine cones. We've got some more ribbon here. This is pretty. Got some createology kits. One is a wreath, and the other one is a 3D, looks like a house. That's cool. Oh, another one of the cute little mask things to make. Bath bombs. I don't remember seeing these. Spiced vanilla bath bombs. It's just like a gift kit. Couple more little things. Oh, these at least are the little ones. More uses for them. A miniature tree skirt. Kind of cute. Ribbon, ooh, a Christmas tree, a couple more picks. These are like the little pine cones. Createology shaped oh, these are for painting. Yeah, these are little canvases. This one looks like a gift. And then we've got one here that is a stocking. My granddaughters will love that. Okay, we've got some deco mesh. Cute little sign that says home for the holidays. That could go on a wreath or be hung on the wall. We've got some mini decorations here. Cute sign, Santa stop here. Oh. 2 more bolts of ribbon. Oh, another fa la la. Another pick. More ribbon. Such random things. I have got looks like a gingerbread ornament or pick. Some mini decoration bows. Uh-oh, here's Valentine's Day. And this is metal. Little Cupid. Oh. And the letter Q. Like a little bread dough ornament. All right, that was it. But each one of these boxes, even though they did, I think all of them had a little bit of pine cone. I can use that all the time and I just love the smell. But everything here was all in decent shape. Nothing was broken. Everything is usable. As far as random stuff, they did have random things in them, which I actually kind of think is kind of fun. So check out your local Michael's Craft Store and see what you can come up with. Now, they are going to have another set of boxes probably coming out after, probably more, my guess is going to be towards July, and that will probably be Easter, any Valentine's Day, and spring stuff. And then, I don't know if they come out 3 or 4 times a year, but then I do know that there will be boxes that will have Thanksgiving in them as well, and those might be coming out like as Christmas stuff comes in. I've had boxes from all 3. Christmas merchandise, I have had Easter merchandise, and then I've also had fall stuff. So check out your local Michael's Craft Store. They won't have any kind of schedule to be able to tell you, and they're not going to put you on a list to call or anything. You got to stalk the store. And when you walk in, see these boxes, they're nearly all packed in boxes this size. They're going to have a tag on them like this. What I do is I'll move the stack, grab one from here, I'll take one from here, come over here, move a couple boxes, grab one from the bottom, and then grab from the top. It kind of helps, seems as though, since I've done this a few times, that you end up with more random items versus they had 5 boxes and they all contain the same kind of stuff. So, good luck out there. Go check out your Michael's Craft Store. And thanks for stopping by, everybody. We'll see you again soon.